The Rios will do anything different here in the fifth to keep it going. Once Manny decides to move, Larry, I mean, the thing changes immediately, right? Sits and waits. Rios still wasn't able to land anything. Very good player for a congressman. Very good player for a congressman.
Oh!
Oh, ano?
Shit!
Ha?
Natanggal yung kit niya! Oh my kulay.
Oh, baka ka makapama ah. Baho mo? Ano ba na ano ito?
Oh, ano?
Manny Pacquiao is showing signs of age and vulnerability. Rios has been
Bata ka pa, Totoy.
to exploit it.
Wala ka pa nga kahit doon ka lang kay ano eh. Ano yung nilabanan niya?
Alvarado?
Hindi.
He got knocked down twice.
Nung nilabanan ni Pacquiao bago si Morales.
Not what we normally saw.
Barrera. Doon ka lang kay Barrera. Si Barrera, tiyatawag ni Pacquiao yun. Kaya nga, doon lang siya lumaban. Pareho silang bakla. Oh, oh.
This is appearing to be the perfect opponent for him. Rios just hasn't open up at all. You know, this is boxing. If the knockout comes, get it.
Ito naman si Kapit Lord. Si Pacquiao kumakapit. Hindi, yung ano, ito.
Manny's got every phase of his fight shut down. With the inside-outside game, he's spinning.
Ano ka, boy? Tayo-tayo ka na lang. Yan, oh. Nakikita mo pa yung suntok? Oh. Saan napupunta? Oh. Saan ka napupunta? Oh. Oh. Tayo ka na lang, kuya. Uy!
Well, he's gonna fight. He's gonna make $4 million. That's what you fight for.
Iiyak na to eh. Ano tama na? Oo. Oo. Oh, ayan na yung suntok mo! Suntok nga Pilipinas yan eh. Oo.
At some stage, I just thought that Brandon Rios would explode.
Bubaran mo kasi Pacquiao, bakla.
To capitalize only throughout this fight. Right? For the most part, he's been in what I call an attrition fight.
Binibidyo tayo eh.
Opponents through sheer energy and will.
Ano na?